Guys, good morning. I am in South Dakota. This is my, I don't know, something stop, another adventure. I am with my uncle, who's back there unhooking a trailer right now. We are at his work, and I'm gonna be here for the next few days working for him and working kind of with him. Today we're up, we gotta go fix, basically, I'll explain what his work is later, but he makes bins and stuff for farmers, and it's like really awesome stuff. I'm kind of tired because it's early in the morning, so I'm gonna drink this Young Living Zen energy drink. Yeah, I'm probably not making any sense because it's really early. Hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I might not talk that much, might just be some fun little clips. Look at that beast. Yes, please. Thank you. Okay, it's time to explain what's going on and then explain what's gone on, if that makes any sense. Bear with me here, there's probably a little bit of wind. I might just turn around in a little bit if it gets really bad. But anyways, the next few minutes are just going to be kind of talking and explaining what's gone on the past few days, what's going on with this vlog. You guys are probably wondering. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday, the 19th. Yeah, it's the 19th. Yesterday was Wednesday the 18th when I started this vlog. Yesterday was kind of a confusing day. The last clip I did was I was doing the sequence walking out onto this porch, and then I was gonna do all this talking stuff. But then my uncle and I actually had to leave right away for his job. We just had to go fix some bins and like do some work and stuff. So I just didn't bring the camera with, and I didn't vlog the whole rest of the day. And then we got home I think like midnight or really late, something like that. So I just decided that today, Thursday, and yesterday's vlog, Wednesday, I'm just gonna join them together and make one vlog. I hope this is making sense. Basically, I started vlogging yesterday. It was kind of a confusing, long, lot of driving day. I need to get these words figured out. Yeah, yesterday was just kind of confusing and long, so I just didn't vlog as much. So today is just gonna be 2 days in one. Next, I'm just gonna explain kind of what I did Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, because I didn't vlog any of those days. So Sunday I was still at the Lowe's, hanging out with Andrew and their family and stuff. We went to church in the morning, and we went to this sweet RC track. And then Monday I actually worked for them. I went and we picked rocks out in the field because they have this huge farm operation. And then Tuesday morning, Andrew and I got up and I got ready, and then we left to go meet my mama and papa. About an hour drive, met them, and then drove with them over to here, my uncle's house. By the way, this is actually like a brand new house. It's not actually brand new, but it's new to him. We drove here and we actually planted that day 39 trees. But yeah, so we worked Tuesday, watered trees, planted trees. It's kind of just a recap of the past few days. Oh snap, that's a wasp. Go away. But yeah, my uncle's actually at work right now. I'm gonna call him and he's gonna come back over. We're gonna put mulch around some trees and do some yard work and stuff. It's gonna be an awesome day. Hope you guys enjoy. My uncle's on his way actually right now, and then I think we're gonna do yard work. I really have no idea. got this row done, these few, these apple trees, and these evergreens back here. Took about, I don't know, an hour or two, but I think we're gonna go have lunch. Good day so far, wonderful weather. Subway, and then we went over to my uncle's work and got this Polaris thing that I was driving, and then mower and some weed whackers, and I was the weed whacker, so I did all this stuff and a bunch of stuff, and then my uncle's back there mowing. Yeah, it's been a good day. Okay, from that pole way over there, across, down to about this pole, I just mowed it. Oh snap. That's my second time mowing in Minnesota. I mowed at the Lowe's house actually the first day I was there. I'm pretty happy with it. I think I did a good job. Oh guys, that was so bad. Ow. California. Just kidding, this is South Dakota.
Do you think they thought it was California?
Do you want to video me?
You want me to hold it?
Yeah. My uncle is letting me drive because we are kind of out where there's no police. And I need to learn because I get my permit when I get home. Oh. Once again, I forgot. Always wear your seatbelt. So how did I do?
You did good. Very good.
That's good. Is it good enough to pass the driver's test? Close, okay. Almost there. Now we are going to meet one of my uncle's friends. We're going to go in a planter. That was a flipping amazing experience. That was like so cool. One thing I remembered is like when I was little, I used to always play with those tractors, and I drove the Bobcat earlier today. I used to always play with that stuff as a kid and like I was like, oh, I really want to drive these in real life someday. And like today I kind of did. And I have before. I mean, I've drove my grandpa's tractors and stuff because he lives on a farm. But today, like, I actually drove that planter in the field, and I mean, it kind of drives itself because the technology is advancing so fast nowadays, but I still drove it, and that was like so cool. I'm gonna end this vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed today's and yesterday's joined vlog. Peace.